What up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is TAKARAONEA, or you can call me Teeks. It is whatever one you would prefer to call me. Yeah, Mary J. Blige.
Go Mary, go Mary, go Mary, go Mary.
So for my last video, I dropped a hair tutorial video for you guys, and you guys really enjoyed it. But for today's video, we're gonna get into a little bit of styling, a little bit of fashion, you know, what y'all come here for. I'm gonna be giving y'all some tips and advice. But today's video is for my pear-shaped body girls, like, yes. So for today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys how to style a pear-shaped body. If you're not sure what a pear-shaped body looks like, use these celebrities for example. Kim Kardashian, Rihanna, blah blah blah, Beyonce. If you like a thing, you should have put a ring on it. And our ultimate fave, Jenny from the block. So if you notice these women, these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful women, icons, just icons, I tell you, icons. These women usually have a narrow waist and hips that are wider than their shoulders. So that's what you'll notice, and that's how you'll be able to determine if you have a pear-shaped body, my darling. You have round, sloping shoulders, a well-defined waist. You may even have some abs going on. You know what I'm saying? Your butt and your thighs are full and round. And pear body shapes typically gain a lot of weight on their thighs, like thick thighs, okay? Thick thighs. I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video, you probably had a very tough time on finding like a very unique outfit for your body shape. There's definitely a bunch of challenges that come with having a pear-shaped body, but I'm gonna be giving you guys plenty of ways to flatter your pear-shaped body to fit your personal style. So number one, you want to wear a fitted shirt. Very structured fitted shirts. You always want to play up the upper half of your body, since your curves, you know, them thick thighs and them hips, them things speak for themselves, darling. And that's that on that. So things like plunging V-necks, they can be in any silhouette. Cowl necks are good. Bell sleeves are really good. They just elongate everything. It balances out your look. And scoop necks are really great for a pear-shaped body. Number two, A-line and princess cuts are going to be amazing for your body shape. So any like waist length jackets, these always look great on your body. Different types of outerwear that hits the thigh, you know, like trench coats and stuff. Anything that hits the thigh area is definitely going to be flattering for you. You can go for boxy coats, like really boxy coats, even maybe like a really nice boxy denim coat, or a really like high quality luxury boxy maybe like bomber jacket. Maybe even try to go for like a crop style jacket that's boxy, because what this is going to do is it's going to emphasize your waist, and it's just going to make it look snatched and put together, honey. You're going to look great, I'm telling you. I got you, girl. I got you. Number three, dresses. Drop and embellished necklines are gonna look great. Anything that has like open backs is really great for your fit, for your shape, and as well as dramatic sleeves. Like I said, bell sleeves. Anything that makes the sleeve look that's like dramatic is gonna be good for you. And belt tip styles. We always seen how Kim Kardashian always wore, this was a couple years back, but how she always wore those little belts. They look kind of like waist trainer belts. She was wearing those a lot. That was just really balanced out her pear-shaped body, and it looked amazing. Again, all of these different styles, they just play up on your slender body, which is just gonna look really great for you. A-line skirts are also great for a pear-shaped body, and any hemlines that hit right below the knee, this is basically going to elongate your frame and slenderize your hips and your thighs. I would also recommend, if you have a pear-shaped body, to go for like the more maxi style skirts because these are great. They just really like hug your curves, and they're also comfy for your body shape. Alright, so number 4, moving on to jeans. You always want to choose more like subtle and dark colors when it comes to your jeans selection, or anything just on the bottom. Like you always want to like focus more on the subtle and dark colors. Okay, so boot cut and flared jeans are going to be like your go-to. They're going to be like your best friend. These are just gonna make your bottom half just look totally amazing. These are the more flattering fits for your body shape, and the reason for that is because these types of jeans are balancing out your proportions, and that's always important when it comes to figuring out different things that flatter your body shape. If you're petite and you have a pear-shaped body, because you can have a petite pear-shaped body, I would recommend going for more of like the boot cut or like the classic trouser style, because these are great for the fit and for elongating your, you know, your petiteness. So last but not least, number 5 is going to be accessories. Yes, you can wear accessories for your body shape, and I always tell people to wear accessories and to just play up on like accessories, especially for your particular body shape. Go for more like statement or chunky pieces, and you always want to do like layered necklaces. If you haven't noticed, Kim Kardashian always has on different layered necklaces. Sometimes they're really like just her stuff is really simple, but again, anything that hits above the bust is gonna be great for your shape. Earrings, the bigger the freaking better, okay? Why not? I know they say, have you guys ever heard, who else has heard that saying though, that the bigger the earrings, the bigger the hoops, the bigger the hoe? Oops. But for you, darling, it's gonna be bigger, so go big or go freaking home. And another accessory to play up on your body shape is also going to be wide brim hats. They look amazing and they're just always good for you, so definitely try it out. So that is it for my how to style a pear-shaped body. If you guys want to see more how to style different body shapes, make sure you guys give this video a like, so that way I know you guys liked it and I can put out more how to style body shaped videos. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That just gives you a free invite to become a part of the Teacup fam, and it keeps you notified whenever I drop down a new video here on the channel. And also, another way to officially become a part of the Teacup fam is by purchasing some Teacup fam merch. So go ahead and check out my website, TAKARAONEA.bigcartel.com. Shop and get your merch. I know you want to be a part of the coolest fam on YouTube, know what I'm saying? Ain't no thing but a freaking chicken wing and a clicking on the no? Okay. Before I even let you click up out of this video, you might as well go ahead over here and check out my last 2 videos, because you ain't got nothing else to do. You ain't got no job. You scrolling on Instagram. So why not just go ahead and binge watch my last 2 videos? I mean, it's free. It's free 99. Ain't nobody stopping you. I mean, I'm the only one that can see. Ain't nobody paying attention. So go ahead, click over there, check the videos out, and I will see you at the top. Peace.